How to access Google Play. With Google built-in, users can access a variety of games and video apps for use when the vehicle is in park. These apps are disabled when driving to eliminate distraction. To download an app, tap the app menu and find and select the Play Store icon. You can sort apps by category or press the magnifying glass search icon to find a desired app. Select the app, tap Install, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, this app can always be found in the app menu. To open an app, either use the touchscreen to select or activate Google Assistant.
Hey Google, open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
You can control the app using the touchscreen, or depending on the app, some functions may be voice activated.
Hey Google, pause video. Hey Google, resume video.
Google Play is constantly being updated, with more third-party developers creating and enabling their apps specifically for Google built-in. As these apps become available, they will automatically be added to the Google Play library, available for installation.